Hi guys, and today we are going to do ball rolling part 1. So basically here are contestants right now. Basically when they pass my basketball goal, that earns them a spot in the next bracket. So let's just go ahead and start. 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like the blue one got a considerable head start, and it is going to own out the competition. So blue is moving on to the finale. Let's go get some more contestants. I'm also matching them up by size, so that's why you see similar sized things together. This is soccer ball. And there's another soccer ball. Basically soccer ball versus soccer ball matchup. Let's see which one wins. 3, 2, 1, go. Off to a slower start, but it looks like in the end, wait, up, and the white manages to barely beat the other soccer ball, so white moves on to the finale. Next is a kickball versus a basketball. This one should be interesting. I personally think that kickball's gonna win, but you never know. So, I accidentally dropped some, but that's fine. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so it looks pretty tied. Unfortunately, I think basketball won. The kickball got slowed down at that flat part, and looks like basketball's gonna get the win on that one. And our final contestants, as you can see, tennis ball versus plastic baseball. Which will win? I personally think probably the tennis ball, but it might be plastic baseball. So, okay. 3, 2, 1. So far it's looking like tennis ball's gonna win. And tennis ball does indeed win, beating out plastic tennis ball. This has been part 1. I'll make a part 2 later. Until next time, bye.